Lightning isn't just a light show. It's nature's fertilizer factory. A lightning bolt in insane heat 30,000 degrees Celsius smashes nitrogen gas apart. Even though 78% of our air is nitrogen gas, plant can't grab it due to its super tight triple bond between nitrogen atoms. It's like a super secure vault, and plants need a special key to crack it open. These free nitrogen atoms bond with oxygen, creating nitric oxide. In the air, nitric oxide reacts again, becoming nitrogen dioxide. That brownish gas that you smell after a storm. Rain dissolves nitrogen dioxide into nitric acid, which releases plant-friendly nitrates into the soil. Plants absorb these nitrates as a natural fertilizer, boosting growth thanks to lightning. Farmers secretly love this lightning. It's free nitrogen for their fields. Did you know nitrogen is like a plant's protein shake? Comment yes if you learned something new. Like and subscribe for more science magic.